Hey guys, I'm trying to make a video here. I cut the sleeve off, making up some battery cables for Mark Carter's quad for his winch. Put it in. Sometimes these little wires untwist when you put them in. Grab it nice and tight. Hold it for a second. Nice and tight. So, put this shrink tubing on there, and it's going to go over the end. I already put them on to try to shorten the video up. Put it on there, and then I'm supposed to use a heat gun, but I have it on the boat, so I'm going to use this little torch. And you just shrink it up, and it makes a nice finished product. So nice and clean, and it seals it. So we'll do this side. You don't want to burn it, so you just kind of wave it a little bit, and there you have a nice battery cable for a quad. And then we'll do the same for the black. Thanks for watching.